Alright guys, so I'm finally getting the opportunity to get inside of my 32 GTR after it's been in the shop for a long time. Don't mind the dirt, it's been here for some months, but yeah, we're about to do a first little drive in it to test out this sequential transmission. We're not going to push it too crazy hard. There's still some tuning stuff we got to do with it. It's not even fully tuned. It's just the car just kind of works right now. But yeah, this thing sounds amazing. I've missed this car. I haven't had it in some months now. I mean, really since like January or so. But we're gonna get it tuned here a little bit. Oh, another thing is that ugly little crack I had in my lip is all fixed now. So got my bumper all fixed. It's all clean. It's the cleanest part of the car right now. I need to throw back the little GTR symbol back there again, but I think that's inside the car right now. But man, yeah, we've a lot of stuff done to this car. I mean, we threw in the sequential transmission. It's a Samsonas Sequential 5-speed, not the 6-speed. The guy I bought it from had originally bought the transmission for drag racing, and I guess he didn't want to drag race with it anymore. He wanted to sell it. I got it for a deal. Thank you so much, RB Power out in Florida. Jim, for making that happen. RB Power in Florida, awesome folks out there. They're really great in the GTR game, so hit them up if you're in Florida. But man, you know, got the transmission. We were missing some parts for certain things. Like we needed like some stuff for the like we needed like some. Obviously, we needed the clutch. Needed some other parts too. We needed to like to modify like the prop shafts and all that stuff. There's all these little things like fabrication type stuff. Like it's not a this Samsung transmission isn't like a plug and play. It's not like, you know, it just goes right in and everything works and it's just good. It's not like, you know, PPG and something else. Like this one's like a race transmission. I mean, it takes a little bit of fabrication, a little bit of effort, but they got through it. They made it happen. Transmission had to come in and out of the vehicle quite a few times. I know that was a big pain for the shop, but they did what they had to do and they made it work. But man, this car sounds good and it's not even fully tuned yet. Wait till we throw it back on the dyno. I also threw in an extra fuel pump. I have two twin Walbro 525 LPH Hellcat pumps in there now for my E85. I'm still on 1300cc injectors. I still have the 8374 Borg Warner. Still have a fully built RB26. Still a 2.6 liter. It's not stroked out or anything like that. Obviously, I got the big cams in there. I got the 262 Poncams and Tomei in there. The reason why you can hear so much sound from here is because I had the cutout. That sounds good. I can turn that off at any moment and just make it go right through the back, and it's a little bit more quiet but still sounds good. This thing's a freaking animal. I love it. Yeah, time to go out, do a little test drive, let my tuner drive it a little bit. I'll sit in the passenger seat and just kind of record and listen to the thing and talk to him. But man, I'm so excited to finally be getting this thing back here soon. I'm not taking it home today because we still got to do some tuning stuff, and that's not going to happen tonight because we got to do one more little adjustment, I believe, on the clutch. So I believe the transmission got to come right back out one more time, but we'll make the adjustment, we'll make it happen, then we'll get to tuning in the next few days and then start making some more cool videos with this thing. All right, let's see how this thing drives. Yeah. It's not bad, it's not like too loud or anything like that. It's like, it's normal, it's like calm and, you know, and it clicks in pretty easy. Wow. Well, the seat. Yeah, the variable seat, yeah. I don't know, where is that? I gotta fix that. it.